Did you know? Your gut is more than just a digestive system, it's a complex ecosystem that influences your entire well-being. Gut health refers to the balance and function of bacteria in the many parts of the gastrointestinal tract. Your gut carries around 100 trillion bacteria, more than 10 times the number of cells in your body. These tiny life forms make up what scientists call the microbiome. When your gut works properly, it efficiently processes the food you eat, absorbs nutrients, eliminates waste, and prevents harmful organisms from entering your bloodstream. A healthy gut also produces important neurotransmitters like serotonin. In fact, about 95% of your body's serotonin is made in your gut, which is why scientists often call the gut your second brain. So, in this video, we'll explore 7 powerful drinks that can transform your gut health from the inside out, giving you benefits you can feel throughout your entire body. But why is gut health wellness important? Poor gut health can lead to digestive issues like bloating, gas, and irregular bowel movements, but the effects go far beyond digestion. An unhealthy gut can contribute to inflammation throughout your body, weaken your immune system, affect your mood, and even impact your sleep quality. What you drink plays a crucial role in maintaining this delicate balance. The right beverages can introduce beneficial bacteria, feed the good microbes already present, reduce inflammation, and help your digestive system work smoothly. Let's move to the drinks. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and notification bell. Also be sure to stick around to watch the video till the end. Number 7. Peppermint tea. When your gut feels tight and tense, peppermint tea works like a gentle massage from the inside. This refreshing drink relaxes the muscles in your digestive tract, letting gas pass more easily and reducing that painful, bloated feeling. Clinical studies, including one published in the Journal of Clinical Gastroenterology, show that peppermint oil, the same oil that gives the tea its flavor, can significantly reduce IBS symptoms. It works by blocking calcium channels in gut muscles, which relaxes them and eases spasms. Peppermint tea is simple to make. Add 1 tablespoon of dried peppermint leaves or 5 to 6 fresh leaves crushed to a cup. Pour boiling water over them and cover with a small plate to keep the essential oils from escaping. Let it steep for 5 to 7 minutes, then strain. Drink this tea between meals rather than with food, as it works best on an empty stomach. It's perfect for those stressful days when your gut seems to knot up. The menthol in peppermint has a cooling, calming effect that can ease both your mind and your stomach at the same time. People with GERD or acid reflux should avoid peppermint tea, as it relaxes the lower esophageal sphincter, potentially worsening heartburn. Those with gallbladder issues should also be cautious, as peppermint can worsen gallstone symptoms. The key to better gut health isn't a one-time fix, but a daily practice. Try adding just one of these drinks to your routine this week. Notice how your body feels. Number 6. Green juices. Green juices flood your system with plant nutrients that feed your good gut bacteria. These drinks give your digestion a break while still providing the nutrients your gut needs to heal and work well. The Journal of Medicinal Food published research showing that green vegetables contain compounds that boost the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. They also help reduce gut inflammation and support the mucus layer that protects your gut lining. You don't need a fancy juicer to make green juice. A blender works just as well. Combine 1 cup of spinach, 1 cucumber, 1 green apple, 1 stalk of celery, and the juice of half a lemon. Add half a cup of water and blend until smooth. If you have a blender that can't fully break down fiber, strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve. Drink this juice on an empty stomach in the morning to give your gut a clean, green start to the day. The enzymes in raw green juice help break down food and ease the load on your digestive system. Individuals on blood thinners like warfarin should limit green juices due to their high vitamin K content, which can interfere with medication. Those with kidney issues should consult doctors, as high potassium levels in green juices may be problematic. Number 5. Kombucha. Kombucha brings fun to gut health with its fizzy, slightly tangy taste. This fermented tea has gained fans worldwide for good reason. It delivers probiotics in a form that feels more like a treat than a health drink. A 2019 study in the journal Food Microbiology found that kombucha contains several strains of lactic acid bacteria that can survive the harsh trip through your stomach acid and set up camp in your gut. These good bacteria help digest food, make vitamins, and keep harmful bacteria away. Store-bought kombucha works fine, but check the label for added sugars. Better yet, make your own with a SCOBY, which stands for Symbiotic Culture of Bacteria and Yeast. Brew 4 cups of black or green tea, add 1/4 cup of sugar while hot, then cool to room temperature. Add the SCOBY and half a cup of previous kombucha brew or distilled white vinegar for your first batch. Cover with a cloth and let sit at room temperature for 7 to 10 days. The longer it sits, the less sweet and more tangy it becomes. Start with small amounts, about half a cup daily, and work up to 1 cup. Your gut will buzz with happy bacteria from this fizzy friend. This fermented drink also contains small amounts of alcohol and active bacteria, making it unsuitable for pregnant women, immunocompromised individuals, and those with severe yeast allergies. Number 4. Ginger tea. When your gut feels upset, ginger tea comes to the rescue. This warming drink has been used for thousands of years to calm digestion and ease gut pain. Ginger contains gingerol, a compound that speeds up stomach emptying and reduces bloating. Research from the World Journal of Gastroenterology shows that ginger can help with many gut issues, from simple indigestion to more serious conditions like IBS. It works by reducing gut inflammation and helping food move through your system more smoothly. To make ginger tea, slice a 2-inch piece of fresh ginger root and gently crush it to release its oils. Add it to 2 cups of water in a small pot and bring to a boil. Reduce heat and let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain the tea, add a squeeze of fresh lemon juice and a small spoon of raw honey if you like. This tea works wonders when sipped slowly after meals. It eases bloating, gas, and that too full feeling many of us know too well. People taking blood thinners should limit ginger tea as it has anticoagulant properties. Those with gallbladder disease may experience increased bile flow and discomfort. Number 3. Kefir. Kefir might be new to some, but this tangy yogurt-like drink has been around for centuries. It's a fermented milk drink packed with more probiotic strains than yogurt, making it a gut health champion. A 2021 review in Nutrients Journal found that kefir contains up to 50 different strains of beneficial bacteria and yeasts. These live cultures take up home in your gut and push out harmful bacteria. They also help break down food better and boost your immune system. You can buy kefir at most stores now, but making it at home is simple too. Start with kefir grains and add them to 4 cups of milk. Let the mixture sit at room temperature for 24 hours, then strain out the grains. The liquid left is your kefir. For extra flavor, blend with fresh berries or a dash of vanilla. Drink half a cup daily, either in the morning or before bed. The live cultures in kefir work while you sleep to heal and seal your gut lining. This fermented drink contains small amounts of alcohol and active bacteria, making it unsuitable for pregnant women, immunocompromised individuals, and those with severe yeast allergies. Number 2. Apple cider vinegar. Despite its tart taste, apple cider vinegar offers significant benefits for gut health. Its acetic acid helps balance the gut's pH levels and supports the growth of good bacteria. Raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar, which includes cloudy bits at the bottom, contains live beneficial bacteria and enzymes. Research published in Scientific Reports in 2020 shows that apple cider vinegar can reduce gut inflammation and boost the production of short-chain fatty acids. These fatty acids nourish the gut lining, aiding in digestion and overall gut health. Incorporating apple cider vinegar into your diet can support a balanced gut microbiome, enhancing digestive well-being. Never drink apple cider vinegar straight, it's too harsh on your teeth and throat. Instead, mix 1 tablespoon with 8 ounces of water. Add a teaspoon of raw honey if you find the taste too strong. Drink this mix before meals, once or twice daily. Start with just a teaspoon and work your way up to give your body time to adjust. This simple drink can help with digestion and reduce bloating after meals. Individuals with low potassium type 1 diabetes or those taking certain medications like diuretics or insulin should avoid ACV. Its acidity can damage tooth enamel and irritate the esophagus. Number 1. Green tea. Green tea does more than wake you up in the morning. This ancient drink works wonders for your gut health. The magic lies in its rich store of polyphenols, which are plant compounds that feed your good gut bacteria and help them grow. A 2019 study in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry found that green tea drinkers showed higher counts of helpful bacteria like Bifidobacterium and lower levels of harmful ones. This balance helps your gut wall stay strong and keeps bad bacteria in check. To make the perfect gut-friendly green tea, bring water to just below boiling point, around 175 degrees Fahrenheit. Add 1 teaspoon of loose green tea leaves to a cup and pour the hot water over them. Let it steep for 2 to 3 minutes, not longer, as it can turn bitter. For extra gut benefits, add a small slice of fresh ginger or a squeeze of lemon. Drink it while it's warm and aim for 1 to 2 cups daily. Having this tea on a regular basis, your gut is going to breathe a sigh of relief. Those sensitive to caffeine, pregnant women, and people with certain heart conditions should limit green tea consumption. It can also reduce iron absorption, affecting those with anemia. Does your digestion improve? Do you feel less bloated? Do you have more energy? Next week, try another drink from the list. Keep what works for you and modify what doesn't. Everyone's gut is unique, so pay attention to how your body responds. Remember that gut health takes time. The bacteria in your gut need consistent care to shift toward a healthier balance. Give these drinks at least 2 to 3 weeks of regular use before you judge their effects. Your gut affects everything from your immune system to your mood. By giving it these 7 powerful drinks, you're not just saying wow to better digestion, you're saying wow to better overall health. Start small, stay consistent, and watch as your gut and your whole body transforms. And with that, we wrap up today's video. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. For more queries, I have also added some studies at the end of this video description. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. Stay healthy, stay fine.